gives you more energy and power to start with. So you go down, then you move. An instant warm up, more alertness. Once you take, the power of breath is so high, and open up. Any other doubt?
It's
Evening also you can.
it's not a doubt, but just had a quick question. Just before a performance, like especially for women, we have those very costumes and jewelry, and by the time we actually finish our makeup, we're so tired. So, is there anything like a quick warm up or something like that just before we go on stage, wherein you can sort of at least mentally come away from the heaviness of the costume and jewels, so that we are with that? Is there something that you could just tell us? Or
Yeah, we have.
what we could. Can you quickly show us or tell us what we
Before
could
makeup, you can do Surya Namaskaram.
do?
That is very important.
Okay.
Then you lie down for 5 minutes. Then you can go for your makeup.
I'm saying just after the makeup,
I'm
just
telling
before we
full
are.
process.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
Then after the makeup, you'll be fully. You can do Kapalabhati once before tying the belt. Okay, don't tie the belt and do. Just do Kapalabhati and shoulders. Stretch and move your body for the back. So again give you instant energy. Then you can sit and do this stretch. This kind of stretches. And sittings. Hold somewhere and just do the sittings. Aramandi, Mungamandi, the sittings. And again do Kapalabhati. After this, again you have to do Kapalabhati before going to the stage. Then you can drink one sip of water.
She wants to know how many rounds of Kapalabhati.
Kapalabhati, you can start with 60 times. And you can increase to 120. Do it 120, you're dancers. No problem. And holding is very important. After doing the 60 times, then you have to hold and concentrate. That gives you more power because you're concentrating. That will give you more energy. And once you hold the breath, your body will be energized. All muscles and cells will get warmed up. Because yesterday also I tried that. Yesterday also we did Kapalabhati before doing dance. Thank you.
We had wonderful session both the days, yesterday and today. I'm sure you would have benefited a lot from these two sessions. And those who want to continue learning from him, you can always contact him, or the girls over there will help you with the numbers. You can always come and continue your yoga training also from him. And also I would like to tell you that we have intensive 10-day workshop happening from day after tomorrow, 20th to 29th of December at Ambalam in Yoga for Dancers in more depth. And then we have just the joy of Adavis. Then we are going to explore Abhinaya in depth and Natuvangam. So whoever is interested, please you can register your names at the table there. Yeah? And Ranjit and Vijna, I don't have any words to thank you enough. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And today evening we have wonderful programs by Praveen Kumar, who's very quietly sitting there. Amazing dancer, one of the best male dancers of our country. and he's a disciple of Sri C.V. Chandrasekhar. And we also have program by beautiful Komala Kumari. You shouldn't miss her Abhinaya too. She's a beautiful dancer. So please do come and let's have fun in the evening too. Thank you so much.
And Ramprasad Anna for giving us this wonderful opportunity for yesterday and today. I mean, this is something that he's always been wanting to do. Like, share his knowledge, his experiences, things that he's explored with other dancers, so that it'll be beneficial for them. So we really are thankful to them for giving us this opportunity to share whatever we know with all of you here. Thank you so much.